Hey everyone, JT here. In this lesson, we are going to tackle something that can be a real headache for business owners: budgeting. I know, budgeting might seem pretty straightforward for some folks with a regular paycheck, but when you're a business owner, that income can be a bit of a roller coaster, right? So some months you're flush with cash, other months you're wondering if you can afford that extra shot of espresso in your latte. So how do you create a budget when your income is all over the place? Well, here's the trick. Focus on what your business can consistently afford. Think of it like this. Instead of trying to budget based on your highest earnings month and then scramble when things get out slower, figure out the minimum amount your business reliably brings in each month, and that's your baseline. From there, set up fixed monthly transfers from your business account to your personal account. Treat these transfers like your salary, even if it's not the same amount every time. This creates consistency and helps you separate your business and your personal finances. Now, here's the fun part: quarterly bonuses. Once a quarter, every 3 months, or how often you feel like it, review your business performance. If you've had a good quarter, give yourself a bonus. This allows you to enjoy the fruits of your labor while still maintaining a responsible budget. Here's how you can put this into action. First, analyze your business income. Look back at your business income for the past year. Identify your lowest earnings month and calculate the average monthly income your business consistently generates. Then, second, set a fixed monthly transfer. Decide on the fixed amount to transfer from your business account to your personal account each month. There should be an amount that your business can comfortably afford even in a slower month. And 3, create a personal budget. Use this fixed monthly transfer as the foundation for your personal budget. Allocate funds for your needs, wants, and saving goals, just like you would with a regular paycheck. And 4th, review and adjust quarterly. Every 3 months, review your business performance and adjust your fixed monthly transfers if necessary. If your business is doing well, increase the transfer amount or give yourself a bonus. This approach gives you the stability of a regular budget while allowing you to reap the rewards for your hard work. It's the best of both worlds. Remember, budgeting is all about finding a system that works for you and your unique circumstances. So, experience with different approaches and find what feels right for your business and your lifestyle.